great application for deep learning is classification tasks, sorting data into groups based on trends. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Neural Network Nodes YouTube series, Neural Network Basics. Here we deliver short lessons on neural networks and deep learning, hoping to understand how they work and how they will be affecting our world in the future. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and check out other Neural Network Nodes series on Twitter, Medium, and wherever you listen to podcasts. Without further ado, Episode 2, Classification with Donuts. A great application for deep learning is classification tasks, sorting data into groups based on trends. To illustrate this point, imagine you are a baker and the owner of a donut shop. In the first hours of the morning, the donuts are fresh from the oven and at their absolute best, ready to be sold and eaten by a lucky, hungry customer. However, as the day progresses, the donuts age, become stale and poor. At some point, the donut will be considered unsellable. In order to make this a classification problem, we can create two labels, one for each state of the donut, sellable and unsellable. As a data scientist as well as a baker, you have been diligent and collected a large amount of historical data, being sure to log the properties of each donut you have ever baked, the environmental properties of the day, and the moment when you deemed the donut unsellable. However, monitoring all of these donuts has become tiring. To make your life easier, you decide to build an artificial neural network to let you know which donuts are sellable and which are not. Artificial neural networks are powerful classifiers when the trends in the dataset are not clearly defined and the dataset is sufficiently large. With a sufficiently large training set, the network is able to model trends by modifying the weights of the nodes in the network. This mathematical abstraction in the hidden layers of the network can model trends in the data and use those trends to make predictions. The input layer of our network will include all of the features, recipe, batch number, etc., of each data point, that is donut at time t, while the output layer will have two nodes, sellable and not sellable. The network will calculate a probability for each based on the trained model and assign a classification to the data point. You train the network on your large amount of historical data, and it learns to classify which donuts are sellable and which are not sellable at any given moment during the day. With the help of your artificial neural network, you no longer have to guess whether or not a donut is suitable for sale to a customer. Not just for donuts, classification algorithms have been used in many data science applications, including detecting disease and classifying the photos in your digital library. In what ways do you think you could apply a classification algorithm to a problem today? Thanks for joining us. More information on neural networks, their structure, applications, and more can be found in other neural network nodes. Check out the description for links to our Medium, Twitter, and podcasts for more. Please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time at Neural Network Nodes. Stick with us as we decode deep learning and become more acquainted with artificial intelligence.